The Weather Bureau Pag-asa introduced a rainfall warning system that enables monitoring of rainfall to help prevent damages due to floods. Patricia De Leon has more on this story.
Pag-asa has launched a pilot system in Metro Manila that will allow individuals and communities to protect their lives and properties during the rainy season. The rainfall warning system for Metro Manila is designed to alert concerned communities about heavy rainfall event that would cause or aggravate flooding. Weather forecaster Raymond Ordinario says early warning information will empower people to take action when a disaster is about to happen.
Ang aim lang nito is to introduce to the people or to inform the people na meron na tayong na-develop na rainfall warning system. So sa ganitong sistema kasi mas madaling may intindihan ng kababayan natin kung paano sila magre-responde sa lakas ng ulan.
The RWS monitors thunderstorms and rainfall. These warnings will all be issued in the RWS website that will be linked with Pag-asa's website. There are 3 warning levels that will be issued for thunderstorm warning. Pag-asa will issue an information warning when a thunderstorm is less likely to develop. A watch warning will be issued if thunderstorm formation is likely within the next 12 hours. And a warning level will be issued if a thunderstorm will threaten specific areas within 2 hours. There are also 3 warning levels that will be issued for heavy rainfall warning. A yellow advisory warning will be issued if flooding is possible in low-lying areas. A green alert warning will be issued if flooding will be threatening and community preparedness must be done. A red emergency warning will be given if serious flooding is expected and evacuation to higher grounds must be done.
Wala nang magiging dahilan para sabihin na hindi namin alam na babaha kasi ipapaalam natin sa mga tao through information and education campaigns.
The public will be informed through text, Twitter, and at Pag-asa's website. Pag-asa will be texting different agencies such as the MMDA, NDRRMC, DILG, and DOST's regional offices to disseminate the warnings to the public. The RWS, however, is still under development and will be put operational as soon as possible.
Sa verification and validation stage. So, tulad nga ng sinabi ni Ma'am Charmy kahapon, na humihingi kami ng tulong sa media at sa mga kababayan natin na mag-tweet o magbigay ng information kung meron nga bang malakas na pag-ulan at pagbaha sa area nila so that we can always check kung tama ba yung inyong warning. At the same time, mag-check din natin kung tama ba yung mga inilagay natin na threshold values.
In the long run, Pag-asa will make the RWS not only operational in Metro Manila but nationwide as well. Patricia De Leon, Solar News.